Hi everyone, welcome to day 22 of Do Maths with me. So, as a part of the series, we are solving important questions from each chapter. So, we have completed 21 days already and we have solved many questions from the chapter 1, which is real numbers, and chapter 2. So, today we have got 5 questions. We will be solving 5 questions together. So, please take your notebook and let's do it together. Pause the video, make a note of the question, and please solve it based on what you have learned so far, and then you can verify the solution. Let's get started. So the first question is, find the zeros of 5x square plus 10x and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So you have to find the zeros. So let your polynomial be p of x is equal to 5x square plus 10x. This is the polynomial which is given to you. In order to find the zeros, whenever you have to find zeros, you have to equate polynomial to 0. To find zeros, equate your polynomial p of x to 0. So let's do that. So 5x square plus 10x equal to 0. There is no middle term splitting needed because you can take 5x common out. So x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, either 5x equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So these are the two things. So x is equal to 0 is one of the 0 of the polynomial. X equal to minus 2 is another 0 of the polynomial. So let one of them be alpha, let the other one be beta. Now let us write the coefficients. So these are the zeros. So you can write, therefore zeros are x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2. Now let us write the coefficients in the given polynomial. So the coefficients are a is equal to, what is a equal to? A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. Okay, so a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10 and c is nothing but 0. So let me do it here. You have to verify. So in order to verify, let's do it. The sum of the 0, that is alpha plus beta, equal to minus b by a. What is alpha plus beta? So 0 plus minus 2, which will be getting as minus 2, is equal to minus b. What is b? 10 by what is a? 5. So this is equal to minus 2. So you have verified minus 2 equal to minus 2. Okay, and then alpha beta equal to c by a. What is alpha into beta? 0 into minus 2 equal to c is nothing but 0 divided by 5. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0 and 0 divided by any number is also 0. So hence verified. Because I did not have place to do, I did it here. But make sure you understand these formulas. Okay, you can take out the coefficients from the given polynomial. You have already calculated and found the zeros, which will be alpha and beta. And remember the relationship between these zeros and the coefficient. What is it? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Let's do another question. Okay. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, you are given a polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus k. Satisfying the relation, you are given a relationship alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. Correct? Find the value of k. So the minute you are given alpha and beta are the zeros, immediately let's write, let p of x be the given polynomial. So 2x square plus 5x plus k. Okay, you are given alpha and beta are the zeros. So calculate alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So this is nothing but minus 5 by 2. And what is alpha beta? C by A, which is nothing but K by 2. Correct? Now, you know a relationship, you know an algebraic identity, which is nothing but, suppose if I square this one, right? If I square equation 1 on both the sides, what will I get? Alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to minus 5 by 2 the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? AB, 2 alpha beta equal to, what is minus 5 by 2 the whole square? 25 by 4. Now, I can split up and write. I am already given a value which is alpha square plus alpha beta is given to me. So what am I going to do? I am going to rewrite. I am going to split this 2 alpha beta into alpha beta plus alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta plus alpha beta. I'm going to split that 2 alpha beta into 2 is equal to 25 by 4, right? Now what is this value? It's already given to you. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. So let me write it here. 21 by 4 plus alpha beta is equal to 25 by 4. So what is alpha beta? 25 by 4 minus 21 by 4. So which is nothing but the LCM is 4. Numerator you have 21 minus 21, which is again 4 by 4, again which is 1. So what is alpha beta value? It is 1, right? So now we know, so here if you put it, so 1 is equal to K by 2. When you cross multiply, what is K equal to? K is equal to 2, and that's your final answer. Very, very easy. You just have to understand what kind of identity, how can you make use of the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. So it's a very easy question. Do solve it once and see. Right? Now let's move on to the next question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 by 2 and product is nothing but 1, and also find the zeros of the polynomial. So you have to find a polynomial whose sum of the zeros, so your capital S is nothing but 5 by 2. Your product of zeros is equal to 1. So what is the polynomial? K multiplied by x square minus sx. The first time when I write, I'll write the formula as it is. Plus b. This is your polynomial, right? So I'll just rewrite, substitute in place of x, I'll write 5 by 2 x plus 1. If I take 2 common out, what will I get in the numerator? 2x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay. So here I will write k by 2 is separated out. So you'll have 2x square minus 5x plus 1, right? So when k is equal to 2, what is the polynomial? 2x square minus 5x plus 1 is the required polynomial. That's the first part of the question. Okay, so you are given the sum of the zero and the product of the zero, and you have to find the polynomial. So using this particular formula, you have identified or written the quadratic polynomial. Now you have to find the zeros. So to find the zeros, you have to equate the polynomial to 0. So 2x square minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's do the middle term splitting. So what is the sum? Sum is nothing but minus 5, right? It is because the sum is nothing but your b value, minus 5. What is your product? So if you do not know what I mean, or how do you have to do the middle term splitting, please check out the previous videos, wherein at least in the initial few videos of Do Math with Me, wherein I would have definitely solved middle term splitting. Okay, so the product is nothing but A multiplied by C. So what is 2 into 1? It is 2. Now you have to find two values. Okay, there is a mistake here. You know what is the mistake? So when I took the LCM 2, here you'll have a 2 here. Okay, so let me just do the correction. Okay, so here you'll have, when you are taking the LCM, you will have the third term will be a 2. Okay, so now it is correct. So what is the product? Product is nothing but 2 into 2, which is 4. So the numbers will be 4 into 1 is 4 minus minus. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 4, and minus 4 minus 1, when you add it up, it will become minus 5. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2x common out, so you will have x minus 2 minus 1 common out, x minus 2 equal to 0. So one of the 0 is, the factors are x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So either x minus 2 equal to 0, which is x equal to 2, or 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. I hope you understood. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, please do pause the video and do go through the steps. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. Verify the relationship. So, you can just take, let your zeros, right? Alpha be equal to 2 by 3 and let your beta be equal to minus 1 by 4. You have to find a quadratic polynomial. So here these are the zeros that are given to you. Let us calculate the sum of the zeros, which is nothing but alpha plus beta. Let's add it up. So 2 by 3 plus of minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4, right? So your LCM will be 12. So 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 4, 3 ones are 3. So this is nothing but 5 by 12. This is your sum of the zeros. Okay. Similarly, let's calculate the product of the zeros, which is nothing but alpha multiplied by beta. So what do you get? 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 4. So you'll have minus 2 by 12. Or you will have minus 1 by 6. Okay, so this is your sum S and this is your product. Now we know how do we write a polynomial? K multiplied by x square minus sx plus p. This is your polynomial equation. So k multiplied by x square minus, what is the sum? 5 by 12 x plus, what is your p? Minus 1 by 6, right? So this is what you're getting. You can take your LCM as 12. So what will be the first term? 12x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay, so you can take 12 outside. So you'll have k by 12. What will be the polynomial inside? 12x square minus 5x minus 2, right? So this is your required polynomial. Required polynomial. Okay. Now after that, what you have to do? You also have to verify the relationship between the coefficients and the zeros. Very easy. So you can use your middle term splitting to find the zeros. To find the zeros, are you given? Okay, you are already given the zeros, right? Alpha and beta are already given to you. So how do you verify? Just take the sum of the zeros. Okay, using the polynomial, you can take the sum of the zeros. What is the sum of the zero? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So minus of minus 5 by 12, which is equal to 5 by 12. Are you getting it? Are you getting this 5 by 12? Yes, you are getting it. And similarly, product of the zeros also. Okay. So alpha beta should be equal to c by a. So what is your c? Minus 2 by 12. Okay. So which is nothing but minus 1 by 6. Hence verified. That's all you have to write. See, you are just verifying if your alpha beta equal to using this polynomial, whether it is equal to c by a, whether the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. You're just verifying it and you already have the values which are already given, right? Based on whatever the alpha. So you don't have to calculate alpha and beta because you're already given this. Okay. Now, let's move on to the last question of today. What is the last question? You are given if x plus a is a factor of the polynomial, you are given a polynomial, find the value of a. Okay, or very easy. Whenever you are given x plus a is a factor of the polynomial, it means you have to equate x plus a to 0. Okay, x plus a equal to 0, which means x equal to minus a. So x equal to minus a is one of the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Okay, it's a 0. It is a 0 of p of x. Therefore, p of, in place of x, if I put minus a, it is equal to 0. So in place of x, let us put minus a. Okay, so wherever I have x, I'm going to put minus a. Okay, minus a the whole square plus 2a into minus a plus 5 into minus a plus 10 equal to 0. So what do you get? 2a square minus 2a square minus 5a plus 10 equal to 0. So 2a square minus 2a square gets cancelled. So minus 5a equal to minus 10. Minus minus gets cancelled and the value of a is nothing but 10 by 5, which is 2. So therefore a is equal to 2. This is your answer. So always remember, whenever you are given that x plus a or x plus 2 is a factor of a given polynomial, they are also giving you one of the 0. So just equate it to 0 and whatever value of the variable you are getting, that is the 0 of the given polynomial. Which means when you are substituting in place of x, when you are substituting the 0 value, it is making the polynomial 0. Okay, and you can find any unknown terms. So that's all for today, and do check out my playlist of Do Math With Me if you haven't. Also, there are other playlists exclusively for your first chapter and second chapter. I have solved all the NCERT exercise questions, NCERT exemplar questions, and your DPP consists of everything. Okay, so do follow my WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description. And also every Sunday from 6 to 7 p.m. IST, I have got a live WhatsApp live. We have got so every Sunday 6 to 7 p.m. YouTube, there is a live session which will happen on all the Sundays unless there is any change, which I'll inform you through